Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to sell bitcoins on Coinbase. Alright, if you've been wondering how to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase, this video is for you. It's gonna be a quick video, just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any more time, let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to, of course, log into your Coinbase account. Now you can log into your account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. But once you're logged into your account, you just gotta go to the buy or sell tab. So you want to go to the buy sell tab and click that, and then you're gonna select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency to sell. Next, you just need to enter the amount that you want to sell, and then you're gonna need to choose your payment method. So there are a couple of methods there. Just choose the one that you want to use, and then confirm the sale. And once that's done, just wait for the transaction to be processed. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.